Are you a Canadian looking to dive into the exciting, yet sometimes intimidating, world of cryptocurrency? Perhaps you've heard the buzz about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the endless possibilities of decentralized finance, but the sheer number of platforms out there leaves you feeling lost. You're not alone. Many Canadians grapple with the same question: when it comes to buying and selling crypto, should I choose Wealthsimple or Coinbase? It's a crucial decision, one that can significantly impact your crypto journey, from the fees you pay to the range of coins you can access, and even the overall security of your digital assets. We're talking about your hard-earned money here, so getting this right is paramount. Today, we're cutting through the noise to give you a comprehensive, in-depth comparison of Wealthsimple Crypto and Coinbase, specifically tailored for the Canadian investor. We'll break down everything from user experience and fees to coin selection and regulatory compliance, helping you decide which platform is the better fit for your crypto goals. Think of this as your ultimate Canadian crypto showdown. We'll explore the unique strengths and weaknesses of each platform, providing you with the insights you need to make an informed choice. No jargon, just clear, actionable information so you can confidently navigate the crypto landscape. Let's start by setting the stage. Both Wealthsimple and Coinbase are major players in the crypto space, but they come from different backgrounds and cater to slightly different audiences. Wealthsimple, a Canadian-born financial powerhouse, is known for its user-friendly interface and its broader suite of financial products, including robo-advisors, self-directed investing for stocks and ETFs, and now, crypto. Their approach often appeals to investors who prefer to keep all their financial eggs in one basket, leveraging a single platform for diverse investment needs. They've built a reputation for making investing accessible and straightforward, and they've extended that philosophy to their crypto offering. Coinbase, on the other hand, is a global cryptocurrency exchange, one of the largest and most well-known in the world. It was built from the ground up as a crypto-first platform, offering a wide array of digital assets and more advanced trading features. For many, Coinbase is synonymous with crypto, and its global presence brings a certain level of gravitas to the platform. So, how do these two titans stack up against each other for the Canadian crypto enthusiast? Let's dive into the specifics. User experience, simplicity versus breadth. When it comes to user experience, both platforms excel in their own way, but they cater to different preferences. Wealthsimple Crypto is designed with simplicity in mind. If you're already a Wealthsimple user for stocks or ETFs, the crypto experience will feel incredibly familiar. The interface is clean, intuitive, and highly beginner-friendly. Buying and selling crypto is a breeze, with clear, concise steps that guide you through each transaction. It's truly a set it and forget it or buy and hold kind of platform, perfect for those who want to dip their toes into crypto without being overwhelmed by complex charts or trading tools. The seamless integration with their other financial products is a huge plus for those who prefer a unified financial dashboard. You can easily switch between your stock portfolio and your crypto holdings, making overall financial management quite convenient. Coinbase, while also relatively user-friendly, offers a more robust experience, especially with its Coinbase Advanced Trading platform. The standard Coinbase interface is simple enough for beginners, allowing for quick buys and sells. However, if you want to delve deeper into market analysis, use different order types, like limit orders, or access a wider range of trading pairs, Coinbase Advanced provides those tools. This dual approach means beginners can start simple and then graduate to more advanced features as their understanding grows. For seasoned crypto traders, this versatility is a significant advantage. The trade-off is that it can feel a bit more feature-rich, which might be slightly more intimidating for absolute newcomers compared to Wealthsimple's streamlined approach. Winner for user experience, it's a tie, depending on your needs. For absolute beginners prioritizing simplicity and integration with traditional investments, Wealthsimple wins. For those who want the option for more advanced trading features as they grow, Coinbase takes the lead. Fees, where your money really goes. Fees are a critical factor in choosing any investment platform, and crypto is no exception. This is where the differences between Wealthsimple and Coinbase become quite apparent. Wealthsimple Crypto operates on a simplified fee structure. They charge a 1.5% to 2% trading fee on each buy and sell transaction. This fee is built into the exchange rate you see, meaning it's not explicitly listed as a separate charge, but it's there. While this all-in approach can seem transparent, it's generally considered higher than many dedicated crypto exchanges. For example, if you're a core client with less than $100,000 in assets on Wealthsimple, you'll likely pay the higher end of that range. Premium and generation clients, with higher asset thresholds, might see slightly lower fees. They boast no deposit or withdrawal fees for CAD, which is a definite plus. Coinbase, on the other hand, has a more tiered and sometimes complex fee structure. Their standard fees for buying and selling can be anywhere from 0.50% to 4.5% depending on the transaction size and payment method. For instance, using a debit card for instant purchases typically incurs higher fees than bank transfers. However, if you utilize Coinbase Advanced, the trading fees are significantly lower, ranging from 0% to 0.60% based on your trading volume. This means active traders can achieve much lower costs on Coinbase compared to Wealthsimple. Coinbase also charges network fees, or gas fees, for crypto withdrawals, which are independent of their own platform fees and depend on blockchain network congestion. Winner for fees, Coinbase, especially for active traders who utilize Coinbase Advanced. While their basic fees can be high, the potential for significantly lower trading costs on their advanced platform gives them a clear advantage for those looking to optimize their transactions. Wealthsimple's simplified, higher flat fee structure can add up quickly for frequent trading. Coin selection, variety is the spice of crypto life. The range of cryptocurrencies available for trading is a major differentiator. Wealthsimple Crypto offers a more curated selection. While they have expanded their offerings significantly, you'll find around 100 plus cryptocurrencies available for trading, including major players like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, and Polkadot, DOT. Their focus is generally on well-established and liquid assets. For beginners, this limited selection can be less overwhelming, focusing on the most commonly traded and generally more stable, relatively speaking, cryptocurrencies. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.